here are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Beans. You can take any kind of bean. I sometimes use rajma, but this time I'm using this beans soaked in tomato sauce, and eggs and tortilla wraps. I usually use the brown one, but this time I could not find brown one in the supermarket, so I'm just using the white one. And it also has some flax seeds, if you can see, so it's a bit healthier one. And we need onions. If it's big one, just one onion should be enough, otherwise 2 onions. And green chilies. Bell pepper is again optional, but if you like it you can use. And garlic powder and pepper powder, salt, and some other basic things. So yeah, these are the main ingredients.
So chop green chilies, onion, bell pepper and fry it in oil for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then add eggs, garlic powder. You can also add pepper powder at this stage, salt as well, and this is how the mixture looks. And then you can add beans, and this is the final stuffing. It's ready now, and now you can start spreading it on the tortilla. I'm also using French dressing as topping. This is my salad dressing. This is optional, you can skip it. You can also use ketchup instead. So that's it. Your egg burrito is ready.